The book is called in Anant Rag in Hindi, and the English translation is called Infinite Verse. It has about 50 or 60 poems and about 10 of my film lyrics and some few shares. It's actually an anthology, so there's no connecting thread. I hadn't published, my poetry for a long time. So this is most of the recent work, and I write both in fact in 3 languages, in Hindi, Urdu, and English. So this book is basically my Hindi and Urdu poetry of last few years, and it's contemporary. It is obviously covers a wide range of subjects. Well, what happens is, if you are maturing as a poet, as you're developing as a poet, your thoughts change over a period of time, and the language also evolves. Whichever language you write in, because language is very dynamic, and if you are a thinking person, then the socio-economic, political environment around you impacts you. So obviously there's a lot of difference, not only in my poetry, but in all contemporary poetry. We have moved more towards realism, more towards let's say complex poetry, because we are leading a complex life, and we are exposed to a lot of multiple media at the same time, which are influencing us, and we are probably more networked as a world than ever before. So the cross-cultural influences are large, and while I believe that we need to be aware of our tradition, of our culture, of our heritage, of our roots, but we need to also be ready to assimilate influences from outside. So that is somewhat reflected in my poetry. Yes, I think it's there is one which is absolutely political poetry, and which is often radical and revolutionary. You will not find that in this collection. I have in my early years written some of that kind of stuff, but not anymore. But as far as the younger audience is concerned, I think the audience, any audience, as long as you have some kind of a humanist element in you, age is not a barrier. Language is something which people understand irrespective of age, or they don't understand, period. This is a fallacy that the younger people want lighter, flighty stuff. That is not correct. Even some of the great contemporary poets, or songwriters across the world, there is even today John Lennon's poetry or Bob Dylan's poetry is as popular as it was 30 years ago. So how do you populist culture is not necessarily poor culture. No, sometimes they will be similar in vein, but because unfortunately for film lyrics, you are writing with a limitation, because you are writing within the ambit of the story, or what the director envisions, or what the situation demands, and more often than not what the tune is, because the tune is often composed first. So you are writing on meter to a particular tune. So that limitation is always there. It's in this particular anthology you will find different structures. There is the narrative poem, there is the classical ghazals. You will also find dohas, which are very traditional. मेरे मन की दहलीज पार करती एक झिझकती उम्मीद, जैसे मंदिर में बिन नहाई पुजारिन हो, भगवान जिसकी आरती नहीं स्वीकारते। किस युग के विचार हैं ये? हम कहीं पिछली पहर तो नहीं ठहर गए, लेकिन जीवन तो युगों के अंतराल को कहते हैं। मैं समझ रहा हूँ जैसे दीवार पर लगी तस्वीर समझती है जो उसके सामने होता है। असमंजस का पौधा चुपचाप बढ़ रहा है, एकांत की बोली निराली है, न कोई समझता है न कोई बोलता है, सब सुनते हैं। कभी भोर में जागते हुए फूल को सुना है, किस तरह ओस के बाल अपने चेहरे से हटाता है अनायास, या फिर सूरज किस तरह दबे पांव आकर किरणों से दिन के पांव में आलता लगा देता है। असंगत पलक पर टिके आंसू की कंपन किस तरह दर्पण चटका देती है। निरर्थक विद्वेष और अनुभव लड़ते हैं एक छाया नाटक। कभी एकांत की बोली सुनी है तुमने, निरंतर खामोश झरझर, एकांत की निराली बोली जो झिझकती उम्मीद को ले जाएगी मेरी दहलीज के पार इस युग में। दिस वन इज टाइटल्ड सिलसिले, व्हिच इज स्टोरीज। गुजरे हुए कल के धुंधलके से झांकता हुआ सुगंध का एक झरना, कुछ आवारा फिरते लम्हे और कमसिन छुअन की बूंदें, कलफ लगे कपड़े, भीगे हुए जाड़े, लू में पके स्वाद, बहुत सी जानी पहचानी आवाज़ें, तू तू मैं साथ साथ पिया कॉफ़ी का प्याला, कोने की सीट पर बैठकर देखी फिल्में, अनगिनत सिलसिले, आधे बंद आधे खिले। ये गज़ल है, छोटी बहर की गज़ल है। कैसा निज़ाम है, खोया मुकाम है, फ़र्ज़ आता नहीं बाकी तमाम है, फुर्सत सवाल से सिर्फ इल्ज़ाम है, ख़याल आज़ाद है दिल गुलाम है, सांस का सिरा खुद इनाम है, छोड़िए सियासत सबको सलाम है, हुआ इल्हाम है मरा गुलफाम है।